What is up guys, Tanit this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add someone to an email thread in Outlook. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Microsoft Outlook Live, or you can just simply type in outlook.live.com. After that, you will be redirected to the dashboard, which is the login or sign up dashboard of Outlook. So if you already have an Outlook account, just simply log in with that account and then you will be automatically redirected to the homepage of Outlook. But if you don't have an Outlook account, just simply click on create free account or create a new account and then enter your email password and the credentials to create your new Outlook account. Now, after logging in or signing up, you will be redirected to the homepage of Outlook. Now, this is the homepage of Outlook. From here, you need to go to your inbox and choose a mail. I'm choosing it from my drafts because I don't have any mail in my inbox. Just simply choose and click it once, and after that, here on the right side, you will see the option of CC. Click on this, and then you will be able to add another recipient to your mail that you want to send the email to. And when you click on BCC, you will be able to add one more member to uh, who is going to receive this email. So you can send it to three or more persons here in this email thread so that this email will be received by all of the recipients that you have mentioned their email of. So this is how you can add someone to an email thread in Outlook. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.